Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The first Iman temple was built in honor of the Hakka soldiers who sacrificed their lives during the Lin Shuangwen insurrection. This site is also believed to be the dead soldiers' chosen burial ground, as it is said the bulls carrying their bodies refused to move beyond this spot. The Iming Festival commemorates these fallen soldiers each year on the 20th day of the 7th lunar month.
Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. This month we're going to talk more about the festivals and traditions of Hakka. 其實客家人有很多的這個節慶啦、文化啦。比如說啦，我在聽到客家的節慶當中呢，我常常聽到的就是義民節，是不是？
是啊，義民節是在 Q 拉。就是農曆的7月20號。
Oh, okay. So this is a festival that is well known amongst the Hakka. It's called 義民節, all right? And it takes place on the 7th lunar calendar month and the 20th day of it. Okay, 就是農曆7月20號。
是啊。
The most well-known 義民 temple is found in 新竹。哦，就在新竹的哪裡？
枋寮 Byong Liao.
Byong Liao. Okay, that's in 新竹. Again, this festival is called 義民節.
義民節
And once again, it takes place on the 20th day of the 7th lunar calendar month. 对，就是農曆7月20號。So what exactly do people do during the 義民 festival? 我们義民節的時候通常都會做什麼樣的活動呢？
其實活動很多。我講一個大家比較知道的，那就是演給比賽。
演給比賽，演技比賽嗎？
是的，真的，我好聰明了，好聰明
了。Okay, they have a competition. It's called a chicken neutering competition. All right.
另外一個就大家比較知道，就是此胎族。
此胎族又要吃什麼豬了，對不對？
就是殺大豬啦，
殺大豬，對不對？
就是我們會把那個豬養得很肥，又肥又大，然後把它殺了之後呢，獻給神明，獻給義民爺。
That's right. This is a very well-known activity for the Iming Festival. They have a boar competition, and each and every year their farmers would raise their swine, their boar, to be as fat as possible, and then they would dedicate it to the gods. 所以這就是所謂的神豬賽嘛，對不對？
對啊，可以這樣說。
Okay, let's review some of these terms. The Iming Festival, 義民節。
義民節
And then the most well-known Iming temple is in 新竹called 枋寮
Byong Liao.
And then one of the well-known events is the boar competition 賽神豬
此胎族
So there you have it, all about the Iming Festival. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.